Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Google Sheets desktop shortcut right on your Windows PC. By the end of this video, you'll be able to open up Google Sheets in just one click straight from your desktop or taskbar, making your workflow that much smoother. Perfect for teachers, students, business pros, really anyone who's tired of hunting through their browser tabs to get to their spreadsheets. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll want to navigate directly to Google Sheets. You can do this by typing Google Sheets into the search bar or just head over to sheetsgoogle.com. Wait for the page to fully load and you should see your familiar spreadsheet dashboard. At this point, it's a good idea to make sure you're signed into the Google account you normally use, just so your shortcut goes exactly where you want it every time. Now look up to the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see three little dots stacked vertically. This is the main Chrome menu. Just give those three dots a click. If you're not used to poking around here, don't worry, you're in the right place. A drop-down menu will appear. Take a little moment and hover your mouse below the main section and you should find an area with options like Cast, Save, and Share. Sometimes this section is labeled slightly differently depending on your Chrome version, but it's usually easy to spot. Within that area, you're going to click on Create Shortcut. This is our magic button. Clicking this will open a small pop-up. Here you might see a checkbox that says something like Open as Window. If you want Google Sheets to pop open in its own window instead of a browser tab every time you use your shortcut, go ahead and check that box. I usually recommend it. It just makes things feel more like a dedicated app. Once you click Create, Chrome will send this shortcut straight to your desktop. If you minimize your windows, you'll see a brand new Google Sheets icon waiting for you there. If you ever lose track of it, just remember, it's right on the desktop and you can always repeat these steps if you want to create another one. For easy one-click access, most people like to keep their most used tools right on the taskbar. To do this, click and hold that new Google Sheets shortcut icon and just drag it down to your Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen. When you see it lock into place, release the mouse. Now you have a shiny new Google Sheets icon pinned, ready to launch whenever inspiration strikes or whenever you need to crunch some numbers. And there you go, you've just created a super quick access point to Google Sheets right from your desktop and taskbar. This trick can really speed things up, whether you're jumping into budgets, project logs, or school assignments. Don't worry if it feels a bit fiddly at first. Once you do it a couple times, you'll be pinning shortcuts like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you have any questions about Google Sheets, Chrome, or anything else tech-related, drop them in the comments below. I love helping out and I always check what you all write. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.